Hi, my name is Julie Anasilla, and I'm the school principal here at St. Brendan.
And I'm Father Tom Woos, the pastor of St. Brendan, and we are here to talk about the annual We Give Catholic or Giving Tuesday campaign.
This year our goal is to raise $30,000 to reinvent and revitalize our makerspace room. We are blessed to have a dedicated teacher for this enrichment space. We have materials for the students to engage in learning that is creative, inventive, and uses a higher order approach to problem solving.
However, our room needs a makeover to make it more functional for the projects and hands-on materials to be used in the best physical environment. This would include cohesive seating, tables, shelving, and new flooring.
We are also looking to purchase some additional equipment like drones and a 3D laser printer that will support and enhance the learning standards and further prepare our students with their educational journey. This is where we need your support by contributing on Giving Tuesday, November 30th.
Help us to make our space a reality.